السلام عليكم أهلا وسهلا. Hi everyone, welcome all. So, welcome to our today masterclass. This is me, Mohammed Jamil, the product marketing at Omniful. And we have our guest again, our dear Mr. Musab, the implementation engineer at Omniful. So, actually, before we start, let's have 1-2 minutes till all join. So, welcome, Mr. Musab. How are you doing today?
Hello, Mr. Jamil. It's my pleasure to meet you today in our master class. I hope it's going to be fruitful for the guest and it will be like enjoying this session with you.
إن شاء الله بإذن الله. So today we will talk about order orchestration or how to master order management. Before we start, let's have like opening discussion with you, Mr. Musab. Why it's important, order management. Okay, I am operation manager or a business owner in e-commerce, retail, or even 3PL who I do have clients in e-commerce. How big is actually this aspect of operation, order management? Like, let's have a few
Yeah,
minutes to talk about it.
great. Actually, the order management is one of the essential features that I need to have it, or modules that I need to have it in my system, so I can consolidate all the orders, be able to receive the orders from different sale channels, from different marketplaces into one platform, and then be able to filter them by each merchant. And also, I can filter the orders based on the marketplace itself. And I will have like one place that I will see all the orders on it. And this is going to be more efficient for the operation and also more easier for my warehouse manager and warehouse operators to prepare the orders in more faster way.
Amazing, amazing. So let's start the masterclass. We have a good number. Welcome all to our today masterclass. It's actually a pleasure to have you attending these masterclasses, and we are happy that you are here to have this informative, hopefully, and inshallah, masterclasses to up level the operations that you have. So today we have me, Muhammad Jamil, the host of the masterclass, and we have Mr. Mus'ab, the implementation engineer at Omniful, which is our dear guest for today masterclass. In this masterclass, we'll talk about how to orchestrate 10,000, 11,000, even 100,000 daily orders automatically across all your sales channels. So it is about mastering order management. In this topic, let's like directly jump to it. We will discuss four main pillars to master order management. Are you ready, Mr. Musab?
Yes, for sure, man. I'm ready to this great session. And let us discuss these features together and see how we can orchestrate more than 10,000 orders automatically per day across all the channels.
Amazing. So first pillar to master operation or to master the order management operations, to have it all under centralized order for all the channels. Talk to me, Mr. Musab, about this topic. One dashboard, every order, every channel. What does it mean and how important is it actually?
So let me tell you where the orchestration is. Okay. So this is basically the main point that we are going to talk about today. Suppose that you are a merchant or a seller, that you have a brand and you want to open a store in different sales channels or marketplaces. For example, you want to open your store in Noon, in Amazon, and also beside those Shopify, Jazz, Trendyol, Sell, and Z. all of those sales channels and marketplaces, you can then integrate them with the Omniful through a plug and play integration. And then you will find out all the orders coming from different sales channels in one consolidated place. And in this screen for the live orders, you will find out all the incoming orders. It's going to be in a unified platform. And then you will be easy to classify the orders, filter for those orders, and prepare them in more efficient and faster way. So you have also the real-time visibility. You can check the order status per any order. When any order status changes, it will be reflected automatically in the sales channels. For example, when any new order comes, it's going to be in a picking for the warehouse, and then it's going to be in a packed status, and then ready to ship and shipped. All these status changes is going to be reflected back automatically in the sale channel or the marketplace. So you don't need to switch between the systems manually. You don't need to check whether the orders coming into Jahiz or Shopify differently. You will find all these orders coming into one consolidated location here.
Okay, so this is one of the main points, and let's see how effective or how, let's say, reflective this value to the efficiency that I will have as operation manager. So
Correct.
smart routing and auto routing for the right hub, how it will benefits me and how all these gonna benefits me together. So let's go into smart routing, how it's done and how valuable it is for me as a merchant or as also operation manager.
Great. So this feature will help me organize my orders with AI-powered routing tools. We have like a routing automation in our platform that will help you to route any order automatically based on the inventory availability or based on the location for the order. So, for example, an order comes for 1,000 riyad. So the system will route this order to the nearest warehouse beside this order. So this can be fulfilled and be automatically assigned to the location automatically. So we can then prepare the order in a faster way. And will reduce the delivery time for me and the shipping cost immediately. And also we can see that based on the location, the orders is going to be distributed automatically between the location. Yeah.
Amazing. So all orders will come under one centralized platform, and it's
Yes.
gonna be all automatically assigned to the most correct and to the most efficient hub, which
Exactly.
by default will also cut delivery time, will
Yeah.
cut costs up to even 40%.
Great. Yes. And also you can find out we have different ways to route the orders. For example, you can route the order with any hub or any warehouse with the inventory available. And also you can find out the nearest location to route your order at. And also you can find out distribution that's going to be automatically based on the optimal fulfillment location.
Yes, and this will take me out from any manual assignment, any manual like
Yes.
interference to make the operation works. Amazing.
Yes. Nothing manual here. All will be
Yeah.
automated.
Let's move to the third pillar of mastering order management, enabling partial fulfillment. Why this particular point is important to have partial fulfillment? Is it actually an effective or like a strong point to have? Please, yeah, walk me through it and tell me your point, your opinion, and how do you see it as implementation engineer?
Yes, this is one of the great features and one of the essential point that is going to help me fulfill my orders, even though there is no available quantity for this order. and there is some of the items available and some are missing. So when this feature is going to be enabled in the dashboard, we can fulfill the order partially. We can just prepare the available quantities and then leave the rest. We can split the order and then prepare the available when it comes from replenishment via purchase order or GRN. And then we can fulfill the rest of the order. So the automatically splitting for the order is going to be taken place when we fulfill the order partially, okay? And then our customers will be more satisfied and more happy with the faster partial deliveries for their orders. And this is going to be like something that needed to be. And this is one of the essential features that we must have in our system.
Yeah. So it will directly hit with the customer satisfaction. It will keep my
Exactly. Yes.
customers satisfied, which is,
Exactly. Yeah.
to be honest, it seems like a small thing in operation that, okay, as operation manager, maybe I don't need to care much about it, but it is heavily affecting the customer experience in general.
For sure, for sure. When a customer having any order that missing just one item, you need to hold all the order
Yeah,
and you will not block the order. This is going to be very bad for the customer. So we are unblocking the order via the partial fulfillment. We can deliver the order partially, and then the client will be more happy with this feature.
amazing. Let's go to the last pillar of mastering order management to be able to have the tracking for every order status in real time. So to have this level of visibility, how important is it and how effective is it to my operations? Please, Mr. Musab, go through it with me.
So here, in terms of orchestration, we have like multiple sales channel as we talked and multiple marketplaces. So Omniful will provide you a feature to do something called order status mapping. We are going to map all the statuses from Omniful and back to the sales channel. So suppose that we created an order, receive it from the sales channel as a new order. Then this order is going through a fulfillment process from picking and packing, ready for shipment, and then it's going to be shipped and then delivered to the final customer. Any status will be changed in Omniful is going to be reflected back into the sales channel. For example, Z on Sella, Shopify, Trendyol, whatever. It's going to be reflected back automatically. And also, when you cancel any order in Sit and Sella and Shopify and Trendyol, Amazon, whatever, it's going to be also reflected automatically via the status mapping in Omniful. So you don't need to manually change the status between the systems. It's going to be all of them automatically. Okay. And then you will find out there is alerts for the stock issues. There's exceptions in the system that you will find out there is something you need to figure out for insufficient inventory. And also there is proactive problem solving when you find out the total inventory is missing, and then you can replenish those items and SKUs to solve all your problems. So this is going to be one of the points in the order orchestration, and also the client will be more happy to see in the dashboard that there is alerts, there is something that is going to have you to solve their exceptions and so on.
Amazing.
Yeah,
So thank you, Mr. Musab. Sorry. Uh, we now walk through the four main pillars, and I would like to see it live in Omniful platform. So now
correct.
we will move into Omniful platform to view these four main pillars of mastering operations and on mastering order management operations, and then we will have Q&A by by doing the live like demoing, please you can write your questions below in the Q&A, and we will be happy to answer it live. Let me
So yeah, I will be
share.
sharing my screen.
Yes, please. Yes, we can see your screen, Mr. Musab.
Sorry, the system just logged out. I need to re-log in.
Okay, so you always have actually to verify the OTP. يعني you
Yeah,
can
this is one of
hide
the
this.
verification needed in your. This is one of the security we'll have in the Omniful.
Yeah, if you want
When you do.
close the screen and then open it, it's fine, by the way. It's all good. So every
So
user
right
actually
now,
needs to have a verification to enter this dashboard or to enter Omniful platform.
yes, it's going to be email verification and OTP will for two-factor authentication. This will
Amazing,
help you to secure your account with the software.
amazing. So let's
So
see
here,
order management and order orchestration.
okay. So we will find here in our live orders, you will find out on each order, there is a statuses here. That's we are talking about the status mapping, the new orders, the picking, ready to pack, and ready to ship and ship. And here you will find out all the orders between the sale channels. So you can filter for the orders based on the sale channel itself. For example, here the order source. You can see the order source for the sale channel, and you can find out the sale channel here. The Amazon, Blue, Jahiz, Kita, Nashmi, and also Noon, Amazon, whatever. Then you can, for example, select any order coming from a specific sale channel. For example, if there is order coming here from Sella, it's going to be available for you. And also you will find out the filtering for the merchant itself per different merchants, okay? And you will find out here the order status filtering. So the order orchestration will be working very fine here. And then also regarding the faster fulfillment for the orders, we have a feature called bulk ship. This will classify your orders based on the clusters, which is the similar orders and similar items will be classified for faster fulfillment. So this feature also will help me prepare more than 500 and more than 10,000 orders per day and more than 500 order per one picking wave. So this is one of the things that will help me prepare more orders in just one day.
Amazing.
Yes. So we are ready to take any questions, any clarifications from your side,
Yes, please.
and then we can answer it.
Anyone
Yes.
have any question to ask about and to ask Musab about, please go to the Q&A. There's parts below called like Q&A.
Stop the share.
You can write your question and we will be happy to answer it. Moving back to the slides. So please, if you have any question, do so. We will wait like a couple of minutes, but in closing, so in today's session, we talked about order management mastery, which is about having the main four pillars to master order management, from having a one centralized order orchestration platform to have all like the orders from across all channels falling under one platform. What it will gives you, it will gives you full visibility and control under your whole sales channels. By so, you will be able to do a lot of like by having this control, you'll be able to do a lot of things like auto and smart order routing, uh, automatically partially fulfill the orders, and such. So thank you, Mr. Musab, for taking us on the order management mastery. It is actually a pleasure to have this
Welcome,
exact topic with you, which is one
welcome,
of the
welcome.
most important like aspects of Omniful and the fulfillment operations. If
I'm
you have
really happy to
also
have this
anything,
session today with you, Jamil. It's my pleasure. And yeah, we look forward for a new one. So I think we have a question.
yes, we do have a question from Mr. Lavelle or Miss, I'm not sure. But thank you, Lavelle. He's asking, is the return order part of this webinar? Unfortunately, it is not part of this webinar, but if you can يعني go to omniful.ai, please contact us and we will answer any question regarding other topics. And if you have like specific question, you can also ask it here about order management. The return order, we will have an upcoming masterclass about order returns. So stay tuned also for this topic because it is on the schedule for, I think, not the next week, the week after, I believe. So thank you, Mr. Lavelle. Yes, Mr. Musab, do you have anything to add?
Actually, I want to thank you first for this session and looking forward for another one. And also, I want to thank our guests for their presence. And I hope you guys enjoyed this session. And thank you all for your time. And I think we have another question.
Yes, this is also from Mr. Lavelle. Uh, Thank you. Uh, Actually, just if you want to contact us, sign up in the form. You will have a direct contact with our team and you can directly ask your questions or that يعني state that you have questions about exactly return orders. We will go in depth with you about any questions that you have. If you want also to prepare something, we can يعني, be back and forth to answer your questions about this exact topic. And thank you. It is a pleasure actually also to have you in our upcoming masterclass on the return management. Uh, so thank you.
Looking forward for you guys for our next session and on our next masterclass. Thank you for your attendance today, and I hope you enjoyed it all. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much for our attendees and thank you, Mr. Musab. Have a nice day.
Welcome. You are more than welcome, Javi. Thank you for your.
So this is it for our masterclass, and inshallah you will have it on YouTube, and also it will be also inshallah shared through email. Thank you all.
Thank you, please. See.